The 1982 Harley-Davidson XLH1000 Ironhead is powered by the iconic 1000cc Ironhead V-twin engine. Known for its rugged durability and distinctive sound, this engine has a reputation for delivering strong performance and a unique riding experience that harks back to Harley's heritage. The XLH1000 Ironhead features classic Harley-Davidson styling elements including a peanut fuel tank, spoked wheels, and chrome accents. Its vintage look appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate the timeless design and nostalgic charm of early Harley models. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. One of the notable aspects of the XLH1000 Ironhead is its relatively straightforward maintenance, with a basic carb setup and simpler mechanical components compared to modern bikes. It allows riders to perform routine maintenance and minor repairs themselves, fostering a deeper connection with their motorcycle. The 1982 XLH1000 Ironhead has achieved cult classic status among Harley-Davidson fans and vintage motorcycle collectors. Its combination of historical significance, distinctive design, and the visceral appeal of its Ironhead engine makes it a sought-after model for those looking to own a piece of Harley-Davidson's storied past. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.